But you know what, Paul? Don't worry about me. Worry about what you're going to say to this parole officer. I mean, what are you going to tell him? That you left my house? That you got your gang back together? And for what? A high school dropout reunion?
You recognize that car?
Which car?
The one that's been following us for the last couple of miles.
That? Oh, yeah. I know that car. That's a Mercedes S500. That is one sweet machine. It's an 8, or it comes in a 12, which is a beast.
Lose him.
What?
Lose him.
What do you mean lose him?
Lose him.
Lose that car? You can't lose.
Tell your story, Walker. Hey, wait a minute, don't. Jesus.
Well, you certainly carjacked a really nice car. It's a piece of shit. What are you talking about?
About a year ago, I decided to get something cool for my dad, and I was looking around for different things that he might like, and he always liked the S500 Mercedes. My dad, he had one, and loved the car. So I thought it would be a really great idea to be able to give him that car again. I looked around for a while, and I found one that was actually made for the European market that was shipped over here in 2002. What's cool about that is it has a couple unique different things about it. Like it's an S500, which we know is the long body. This one's actually the short body, which is kind of cool, different. In the back seat, it's got the like 2 captain chairs in the back with a separating console. And I test drove a bunch of them, and mechanically speaking, the car's perfect. The problem was the exterior. The exterior was a complete mess. The guy that owned it before decided to paint the car himself at home. Just close the doors, put a little tape on the windows, and shoot the whole car. So all the rubber seals, all the weather stripping, everything got painted.
Knowing Will's a perfectionist. He likes everything like in perfect condition. And when I saw the car, it was kind of like that weird moment when you open a gift at Christmas and you don't know how to react because I didn't know what to say. I thought it was a joke. The car was falling apart. I mean, it was 1996. To me, that seems just ancient. It was like, did he really do this? And is he going to give it to his dad? It just didn't make any sense.
Step 1 was taken and have it completely repainted. Everything was stripped off, sanded down, and painted black to match the interior. So we're gonna have black on black. Just I got it back from the body shop, and I sat with it for a month, and I kept being on eBay and Craigslist looking for like little pieces, trying to make it as perfect as possible. And along the way, I found Restoration Barn. We're completely revamping the entire car. Everything, every little piece, every little motor, every little button that didn't work now will work. We're taking this car and replacing it with all Mercedes original parts from a car that was crashed in perfect condition and putting it all into this car.
And I think everyone saw the car and just laughed. They thought it was a joke. But they really did see the potential there, and that's incredible, I guess, that he found someone who could work on it.
Restoration Barn, taking the car, it's been there 3-4 months, and literally restored the car like if it was a classic. Like, it was just amazing. The amount of love and care is insane. hopefully will be done before the 21st, which is my dad's birthday. So hopefully he wakes up in the morning on the 21st and sees it there.